Hello everyone, just a little quick video here. I got this official Mopar or Jeep licensed neon clock in the mail today. It's a clock, it's a neon, fits on your wall. It's a Mopar product or licensed. And it's pretty neat. We'll see how it looks when I get it assembled and put on the wall. Wasn't too bad. I think it was under 70 bucks shipped. We'll get it unboxed and put together and put on the wall and see what it looks like. It's got its power cord. Of course, it's hard to do with your phone by yourself while you're unboxing it, so we'll take it in sections. Looks like it's going to take a AA battery, and here's where you're going to plug in your power cord for your neon, and it looks like this is the on and off switch right here. And they tell you not to cut those out. Those are part of the neon, holding the neon in or something, those little clips there. So it'll tell you on the box not to cut those off. Now it's daylight out, but I have the garage door shut, so as you can see, the light coming over from here is from the daylight. But still, that's not bad. I mean, I understand it's a cheaper piece. It's about 70 bucks delivered. I get that. But if you want to get into the really sharp high-end ones, you better be looking at $400 or $500. And in my garage, the way things get tossed around and stuff, I don't want to take a chance of breaking it. So that's not bad. Like I said, you get this, it's nice, it's 70 bucks. It looks good in your garage. I'm sure it's going to look a lot better tonight when it's dark. But if you got a place to put a real fancy one that costs $400 or $500, then by all means, get that. But this is not bad at all for its price. Here's a little closer view. Alright, that's enough of that video. I thank you guys for watching and subscribing. I really do appreciate everybody that does that. Everyone have a great day.